देर में आ रहा है चलेगा जुमेरात ही।
Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so in our last session, we have discussed tuples data type. So after tuple, next data type that we are going to discuss is set data type. So this data type is not well, like we are not using this data type much, but still this is a data type which is very important. Coming to the set, what is set? Set is also a collection of dissimilar. So same as tuple and list, it is also a collection of dissimilar elements. Okay. Next, set is represented by curly braces. Curly braces. So when we are talking about list is represented by square bracket, tuple is represented by parentheses, same as it is set is represented by curly braces. Okay. After this, set is mutable in nature. Set is mutable in nature. Basically, mutable means changeable in nature. That means once we are creating a tuple, we can perform any kind of changes in it. Okay. So once you have created any kind of tuple, we can any kind of set, we can perform changes in that. So that means changes is acceptable in case of set. That means it is changeable in nature. One more thing which is important, set is unordered in nature. Unordered means unordered means see, once you are creating a set, your elements are present in that set. But where that element is present, nobody knows. All the elements are randomly present in your set. There is no any order which is okay. So because order is not there, indexing and slicing is also not applicable. So once you are creating a set, in that indexing and slicing we cannot do because set is unordered in nature. Unordered means your elements are not having any kind of order. All these elements are randomly present in your set. Okay. So indexing and slicing is not applicable in case of. So let me take example first. See, I am creating S is equal to within curly braces. You can give your elements, whatever elements you want to store. And one more important point is remaining. Set does not allow duplicate. Set does not allow duplicate. That means your duplicate elements you cannot store in set. When we are talking about list and tuple, duplicate elements are there in list and tuple. But coming to the set, set does not store duplicate elements. The duplicate elements will not be stored in set. Okay, so set does not allow duplicate. Now let's take few examples related to this. Suppose that I have created some set values like 1, 2. Then I am writing hi. Then I am writing bye. So just see here, you are writing, this is what? This is a collection of elements. This 1, 2, high and by is what? It is a collection of elements. Now just focus on the bracket. Here I have used curly. So curly braces means it is a set. So if you are representing a group of element in curly braces, then that is nothing but your set. How we can check it whether it is set or not? You will just use type function, type of S. So this type of S is nothing but what is the type of this. So your result will be a set because it is a set. Okay. One more point here. See here, no any duplicate elements I have. Suppose that in our set duplicates are present. Suppose that in our set duplicates are present. So if duplicates are present in your set, then what result you will get? So for example, I am taking one example here. I am taking again 1 comma 2 comma high. So if you will see here, I have taken duplicate values 1, 2 and high. These three are your duplicate values. So if you are taking duplicate values, then what set will do? Because set does not have duplicate elements. Duplicate elements cannot be there in set. But in this scenario, what result? So basically, if you are trying to give duplicate elements, then in that case, set will remove all the duplicate elements. Whatever duplicate elements are there, all the duplicate elements will be removed. So here, what are my duplicate elements? 1, 2, and high is our duplicate element. So this 1, 2, and 1, 2, and high will be removed from your set. So if I am going to run this, you will see your 1, 2 is coming on 1, 2, and high is coming only one time. Because duplication is there, this 1, 2, 3 high is 1, 2, high is duplicate. So that's why your duplicate element has been removed. So if you want to remove duplicate elements, this is a way to remove duplicate elements from a set. Okay, so set does not allows duplicate. If you are giving duplicate elements, then set will by default remove duplicate elements for you. Okay, by default your duplicates will be removed in case of set. Second thing is set is unordered in nature. What is the meaning of this unordered? If you will see here, I am giving few more elements. Okay, I have given something like this, and then I am going to print something like this. Okay, see. Oh, comma is missing. Now, just a moment. Why is not giving the error? Number, this is a behavior of set. Behavior of set means set does not allow duplicates. That means whatever duplicate elements you are giving, set will eliminate all those duplicate elements. So here, 1, 2, and high is your duplicate. So what set will do? Set will see that, yeah, these are duplicate elements, just remove. So whatever duplicate elements are there, set will automatically remove those elements. Okay, so this is just deleting 1, 2 high is already present in your set. So it is duplicate. So set will remove that. Okay, it is a behavior of set. Behavior of set means set does not allow duplicates. If you are trying to give duplicate elements, then by default set will remove all those duplicate elements for you. And at last, your result will be unique element. So if you will see here, your result is nothing but the unique element of your set. Okay. Now after this, I have given unordered in nature. Unordered means whatever set elements are there, there is no any order of. What is the meaning of order of it? Let me show you. Okay. So do one thing. Ha. Since 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For now, see the order. 20 is present at second, like 20 is my second position element. But here you will see 20 is present at last. So there is no any order. All the elements are present in your set, but where that element is present, where this element is present, you cannot specify. In your set, elements are present, but at which index or at which location your element is present, you cannot specify. Okay, that is the meaning of unordered. That means in your S variable, your elements are stored. That is fine. But where these elements are stored, nobody knows. If someone is asking at which location 7 is present, you cannot specify at which location 7 is. Same as it is at which location 9 is present, you cannot say this thing that at which location this 9 is present. Okay, that is the meaning of unordered. That means whatever elements are present in this, there is no any order of it. All the elements are randomly present in your set. Okay, no any fixed order is there. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, now after this, next one. So set is a collection of dissimilar elements. So this is nothing but your dissimilar elements. See, this is your integer, and then I am using a string. So it is your dissimilar elements. Set is represented by curly braces. You will see this curly braces I have used for representing a set. Then I have discussed set is unordered in nature. Unordered in nature means whatever order you are inserting the element, there is no any fixed thing that at this position only your element will be inserted. There is nothing like that. All the elements are randomly present. If I will use some other ID, then maybe your location will be different. Let me show you. See, I am using online compiler to show you. See, here we are getting something like this. So it is also similar. Let me perform some changes. It is now. See, See, 86 is present at last position, but here 86 is present at this position. So there is no any position fixation which is there. All the elements are randomly present. That is the meaning of unordered. Then indexing and slicing is not applicable. That means if you cannot specify the position, how you can perform indexing? We can't perform indexing if we don't know at which position your element is present. And set does not allow duplicate. That I have shown you. If you are giving duplicate elements, all the duplicate elements will be removed. Only unique element will be there. That will be your. Okay, so this is what? This is your unique element which are present. And all the unique elements you are getting from the. That is it. Now, in these definitions, if any doubt is there, please. If any doubt is there in this, please let us. In any of the point, if any doubt is there. No doubt. Naman, is it clear? Rearrangement is applicable or not? If we arrange in ascending order or descending order. Rearrangement is applicable, but at which order your element is present, you cannot specify. क्या ये देखो यहाँ पे देखो इसका एग्जांपल देखो मेरा 86 किस पोजीशन पे प्रेजेंट है 1 2 3 4 5 6 सिक्स पोजीशन पे 86 प्रेजेंट बट मैं जब रन कर रहा हूँ देखो पोजीशन बदल गई तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि हमारा सेट तो है बट किस पोजीशन पे कौन सा एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है वी कांट से क्योंकि रेंडमली प्रेजेंट है इस सेट के अंदर एलिमेंट है बस कहां पे ये एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है हम नहीं बता सकते दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अनऑर्डर सो रीअरेंजमेंट अगर आप करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो ठीक है उसके लिए एक्सप्लिसिट कोड वी नीड टू राइट ओके ना वी कैन डू रीअरेंजमेंट वी कैन नेक्स्ट आउट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी So these are the important points with respect to set. After this, how we can insert an element into set? Insert element in set. For example, I am having one set. This is my set. I want to add some element in this. I want to add an element in this. How we will do it? For that, there is one function which is known as add. This add is my function which will add an element in your set. So whatever element you are giving here, for example, I have given 100. Okay. So what it will do, it will simply delete, it will simply add your 100 value. 100 is what? 100 is your element. So this 100 will be added in your set. Now anybody just tell me, can we specify at which location this 100 will be stored? क्या हम लोग ये गेस कर सकते हैं कि 100 किस पोजीशन पे जाएगा? The answer is no, because wherever it will get placed, it will store. क्योंकि ये अनऑर्डर्ड है और सारे एलिमेंट्स रेंडमली प्रेजेंट है किसी की कोई पोजीशन नहीं so if you don't have any position in that case your elements will be present randomly so we cannot specify at which position your element will be inserted तो कहीं पे भी ऐड हो जाए। सदाफ वी कैन नॉट स्पेसिफाई, ये 100 जो है ये कहीं पे भी ऐड हो जाएगा, तो कह नहीं सकते किस पोजीशन पे ऐड होगा ये। देखो, तो सी यहाँ पे ऐड हो गया, ठीक है। इफ आई एम यूजिंग समथिंग एल्स देन कहीं और ऐड हो जाएगा, देखो सी, फिर यहीं पे थर्ड पे ऐड, ठीक है। ये कोई स्पेसिफाई नहीं है, कोई और कंपाइलर यूज करोगे कहीं और ऐड हो जाएगा। So your element will be added in your set, but at which position your element will be added, you cannot specify. You can't specify that at this position your element will be inserted. We can't say it. So add function will add an element in your set, but at which location it will add, you can't specify. You can't say that at this position your element will be inserted. This is your add function. Now ask you this. So if you want to add an element, we are having add function. Guys. In this way, we can add multiple elements. For example, I want to add two elements. And same way, you can add two elements. Two times you will call the same function and it will. Clear, everybody? Okay. After this is a way to insert an element into a set. For next is what? Insert another set or another sequence into the set. What is the meaning of this? Suppose that one set is given. One set is given, that is this. This is my one set. And I am having one more set. I am having one more set. That is this. What is my objective? Whatever elements are present in this second set, whatever elements are present in this second set, I want to add all the elements from second set to set one. What is my requirement? I want to add all the elements of S1 to S. Okay, so how we will do it? So for that, we are having one function named as update. Update. We will use update function. How we will do is, in which set you want to add? I want to add in S. After that, your function update. Now, after this, you will give what are the elements of second set which you want to add. So my second set elements which I want to add is S. And after that, print your S. That's what this code will do. This code will add these elements, second set element, into your first set. तो सेकेंड सेट में जो जो एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो फर्स्ट सेट में ऐड हो जाएंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस अपडेट फंक्शन। सी क्या हुआ, ये जो है पहले एलिमेंट के सेट है, उसके बाद ये दो जो है दूसरे एलिमेंट्स। तो इसने क्या किया, हमारे दूसरे एलिमेंट्स के सेट को पहले एलिमेंट्स के सेट में ऐड किया। दैट इज ओके। इज इट क्लियर? Everybody, is this point is clear what update is doing? Okay. After this, how to delete an element from a set? What is the meaning of this? Suppose that one set is given. I want to delete some element. तो पोजीशन के बेसिस पे क्या डिलीट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे? Can we delete based on the position? The answer is no, क्योंकि पोजीशन वाली चीज यहाँ पे है ही नहीं। तो बेस्ड ऑन द पोजीशन वी कैन नॉट डिलीट। So on what factor we can delete? किस फैक्टर के बेसिस पे हम डिलीट कर सकते हैं? Anybody? Based on which factor we can delete? Element, correct. Based on the element we can delete. Okay, based on the element we can delete. So how we will delete? For that we are having a remove function. For this, we are having remove function. This remove is what? This remove is my function which will delete the given element, whatever element you are giving. I am giving 20. So what this remove function will do? This remove function will delete 20 from your set. So if I am going to check my S value, 20 will be deleted from your set. It is small s. See, 20 has been deleted from your set. Okay. So if you want to delete a single element from your set, for that we are having remove function, and remove will delete this element from your set. That is all. So this is your delete remove function. So what remove function is doing? It is deleting an element from your set. Ma, can we delete based on the this? Madhvi, I am sir, I am not ma'am. Okay. Can we delete based on the element position or index? No, we cannot delete because here your elements are randomly present. What is the meaning of randomly present? One basket is there. One basket is there. In this basket, all the elements are randomly present. There is no any order. Okay. All the elements are randomly present like this. Okay. So if elements are randomly present, there is no any concept of indexing. Indexing concept is not there. So in case of set, we don't have indexing and slicing. So based on the index and position wise, we cannot delete an element with respect to set. Sir, can we use drop function? Balu, with respect to set, we don't have any drop function. With respect to set, we don't have any drop function for deleting. Okay, but drop function is not there with set. Yeah. Remove function is there for deleting an element from your set. What to do when we remove 22 or more sets are given if someone say 20 from particular set. So you will specify, see here, this S is what? This S is your set name. Okay, so based on which set you want to delete, that you need to mention here. If you are having multiple sets, whatever set name you have given here, or from that set only your element will be deleted. I have given S. So from S set, your 20 will be removed. Okay, if you are having some other set, that set name you need to write here, dot remove with my function that I need to call, and it will be number. Oh. Now, with respect to remove, there is one issue with remove function as well. What is that? What is that? Suppose that I am giving 200. Just think what answer we will get in this case. Just think what answer we will get in this case. Anybody? The answer will be an error. Why answer will be an error? Because this 200 is not present in your set. So if 200 is not present in your set, your remove function will give you an error. So how to overcome with this problem? Because see, whenever we are deleting something, maybe that element is not present in your set. So if the element is not present, your remove function will directly give you an error. Okay, and that is a big concern. So to overcome with this problem, there is one more function that is known as discard. There is one more function that is known as discard. What is the difference between discard and remove? I will tell. See, discard will also remove an element from your set. If I am writing discard here, what this discard will do? This discard will remove 20 from your set. So if I am going to show you, see, your 20 has been removed from your set. Now suppose that if the element is not present, if the element is not present, then what discard will do? If I am writing s dot discard of 200, then what discard will do? Shall we get any error? Shall we get any error? The answer is no. Okay. See, When we are using remove function, if the given element is not present, remove is giving you an error. If the given element is not present, your remove will give an error. But when I am having discard, if the given element is present, discard will remove that element. If the given element is not present, discard will not do anything. Okay, see, it will not give any error as well. You will not get any error as well. See, no any errors. And it is not deleting because this element is not present. There is no any chance of deletion. So that is the difference between remove and discard. So when we are using remove, it is mandatory that whatever element I am going to delete, that element must be present in your set. But when I am talking about discard, in case of discard, whatever element I want to delete, whether that element is present or not present, both things are fine. Both things are fine because if the given element is present, discard will delete that element. If the given element is not present, discard will not do anything. It will neither give you an error or nothing. It will not do anything. That's so this is the difference between remove and discard. Any doubt, any question?
States, hello,
Not ready.
hello.
Yes, yes.
जी, ये जो सेट होते हैं सिंपल कर्ली ब्रैकेट होता है और एक सिंपल भी ब्रैकेट होता है, ब्रेसेस जो होते हैं सिंपल वाले.
कर्ली ब्रेसेस यूज होता है. कर्ली ब्रेसेस होता है सेट के लिए.
ओनली कर्ली ब्रेस, जो उसके जो सिंपल वाले जो ब्रेसेस होते हैं वो टपल का होता है.
आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
सिंपल जो ब्रेसेस होते हैं वो टपल के लिए यूज होता है.
नहीं, ये क्या होता है ना, ये फंक्शन है. डिस्कार्ड जो है ये फंक्शन. तो कोई भी फंक्शन आप रिप्रेजेंट करोगे तो आपको ये पैरेंथेसिस ही देना पड़ेगा. जैसे मैं प्रिंट कर रहा हूँ तो प्रिंट के बाद मैंने ये ब्रैकेट दिया हुआ है. क्यों दिया हुआ है? क्योंकि ये प्रिंट एक फंक्शन. तो जब भी आप कोई फंक्शन रिप्रेजेंट करोगे ना तो आपको ये पैरेंथेसिस ही देना पड़ेगा.
नहीं नहीं, जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट जो होते हैं मैं वो पूछ रही हूँ. जैसे ये सेट के लिए आपने यूज कर रहे हैं कर्ली ब्रैकेट यूज कर रहे हैं. सेट में जो होते हैं कर्ली ब्रैकेट होते हैं, बट अगर जैसे सेट में शायद मैंने देखा था कि ये वाले जो ये स्क्वायर वाले जो ब्रैकेट होते हैं ना, सिंपल स्क्वायर वाले जो स्क्वायर
हाँ,
बॉक्स बन जाता है अगर उसको पास में रखो तो
वो
वो भी
लिस्ट के
यूज
लिए
करते हैं.
वो लिस्ट के लिए यूज होते हैं स्क्वायर.
अच्छा अच्छा, बस यही पूछना
वो
था.
लिस्ट
थैंक
के
यू.
लिए होते हैं. अगर मैं इसको स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में कर दूंगा देन इट इज अ लिस्ट. इट इज नॉट अ सेट. ठीक है, अब ये लिस्ट बन जाए.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? एनी अदर डाउट और क्वेश्चन? Okay. After this, operators used in set. So, see, with respect to set, we don't have concatenation and all those operators. Whatever operators we have discussed with respect to list, set में ऐसे operators नहीं use. ठीक है. So, in case of set, what are the operators which are useful? Union of, intersection operator, and difference of. Anybody remember क्या union करता था with respect to set? What union will do? Class 11, chapter 1, set and relation and set and functions. Union, what union will give? Union will return all the elements from both the sets. From both the sets. That means from one set and second set. Whatever elements are present in both the sets, you will get as a. Okay. Coming to the second one, that is intersection. What is intersection?
Taking only common from two sets.
Yes, correct. Intersection means it will return all the common elements between the two sets. Third one is your difference. What is your difference? Anybody? याद है किसी डिफरेंस क्या है?
I think removing of common elements.
Anybody else? थोड़ा थोड़ा सही था. No idea. किसी को idea नहीं है. See, it will return. It will return the elements of first set. First set. After removing common elements from both the sets. Okay. I will give example to you. Okay. So these are the operators that we are using with respect to set. याद रखना, with respect to set, we are not going to use plus operator. We are not going to use the star operator. If I am using plus and star operator, you will get result as an error. Your answer will be an error if you are using plus or star operator with respect to set. Now coming to the union exam. Union exam. Suppose that I am having set 1. Okay. Then I am having set 2. Now, if I'm writing union, as you can say, if I'm writing S1 union S2, S1 union S2, what result will be? क्या होगा? तो बताएगा. Whatever elements are present in first set, whatever elements are present in second set, both the set elements will be combined together as a single set. See, both the elements from first set, all the elements from first set, all the elements from second set, you are getting with you. तो यूनियन क्या करता है? वेरी सिंपल. इट विल रिटर्न ऑल द एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम बोथ दिस. It will return all the elements from both the sets. So see here, set 1 is having 1, 2, 3, 4, set 2 is having 5, 6, 7, 8. So in your final set, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means both the set elements will be combined together with the help of union. Is it clear? Union is clear? Okay. After this, we are having intersection. 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 What is intersection? Intersection means common elements between both this. Okay. So if I am taking set 1 as this one, S1 is my set 1, S2 is my set 2, and I am writing S1 intersection S2. So what are the common elements between these two sets? Anybody? What are the common elements between these two sets? 5 and 6 are the common elements between these two sets. So that will be your answer. Okay. So what intersection is doing? Intersection is returning you the common element from both the sets. So if you are having two sets and you want to return the common element between these two sets, you are having intersection. So intersection will return the common element from both the sets. Ha guys, is it clear? Intersection is clear, everybody? Please write on chat box, guys, if it is clear. Only Naman is responding. What about others, guys? समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? Okay, after that difference, what difference will give? Anybody just think what difference will give? मैंने definition ऊपर लिखी. I have written the definition of difference. You guys remember? See. कोई बताओ रिजल्ट क्या आएगा इसका? If I am going to run this, what will be my result? Good one. Others? 5, 6. Okay. Try to understand when we are using this function. Okay, difference. What you will do? It will return first. What is my first set? S1 is my first. It will return first set after removing the common elements. Now tell me in these two sets, what are the common elements which are there? In these two, what are the common elements? It will return first set after removing common element. Your common element is your 5 and 6. So after removing 5 and 6, what is my result? 1, 2, 3, 4 is my result. See. After removing common elements, whatever elements are remaining in first set, that will be your difference. Is clear?
हेलो,
Just go ahead.
एक बार डिफरेंस समझा दीजिए एक बार.
देखो क्या होता है, सेट दो हमने सेट लिए, सेट 1 और सेट, ठीक है. अब पहले तो इसमें डुप्लीकेट देखो कहाँ पे, मतलब कॉमन एलिमेंट क्या है दोनों से. तो कॉमन एलिमेंट है 5, 6. 5, 6 भी दोनों में प्रेजेंट है, तो 5, 6 कॉमन है. ठीक है. 5, 6 को रिमूव कर दो. पहले सेट से 5, 6 को रिमूव कर दो. जो कॉमन एलिमेंट है उसको हटा दो पहले सेट से. तो पहला सेट था S1, उसमें से कॉमन एलिमेंट है 5, 6, तो 5, 6 को हटा दो. जब 5, 6 को मैंने हटा दिया तो क्या एलिमेंट बचे हैं? 1, 2, 3. सो ये 1, 2, 3, 4 हमारा. तो बेसिकली डिफरेंस क्या करता है, कॉमन एलिमेंट को रिमूव करके पहले सेट को एज अ रिजल्ट दे. बस इतना है. कॉमन एलिमेंट्स को रिमूव कर दो और पहला सेट जो है वो उसमें जो एलिमेंट्स बचे दैट. क्लियर? आफ्टर दिस नेक्स्ट वन. Next is your set is mutable in nature. Set is mutable in nature. How I can show you that set is mutable in nature? So for that, I am going to create one set. Okay. I will check what is the location of this. कहाँ पे ये set present? At which memory location this set 1 is present? That I am checking. After this, I will update this set. मैं इस set में कुछ insert करूंगा. So set 1 dot add of something like 100. I am going to add 100. तो आफ्टर इंसर्शन में क्या करूंगा, सेट 1 की आईडी को चेक करूंगा. ठीक है. मैं क्या करूंगा, सेट को अपडेट कर रहा हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू अपडेट आवर सेट. सो आफ्टर अपडेटिंग, whether these changes, whatever addition I am doing, whether this addition has been done into my original set or a new set has been created, or a new set has been created. So if a new set has been created, that means set is immutable in nature. If both memory locations are same, that means set is mutable in nature. So just see whether the memory locations are same or different. The memory locations are same. That means whatever addition I am trying to do, let me print value as whatever addition I am doing here, that addition has been done into your original set object. Original set. See, your addition has been, and at which memory location? In the same memory location, your addition has been done. That is the meaning of mutable. So set is mutable in nature. So once you are creating a set, this is my set, I am able to add this 100 into my set. That is the meaning of mutable. And same thing I have proved. Ask you. This is the meaning set is mutable in nature. Clear or not, guys? Is this point is clear?
सर जैसे कि यहाँ पर सेट का अगर आईडी मान लीजिए कि सर चेंज हो जाता तो फिर यहाँ
तो
पर
उसका
इसका।
मतलब होता है कि दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट हो गया। तो तुम जो चेंज कर रहे हो यहाँ पे, वो चेंज हमारा इस ओरिजिनल जो ऑब्जेक्ट था सेट वन, इसके अंदर नहीं हुआ। फिर वो नया ऑब्जेक्ट उसने क्रिएट किया, दैट मीन्स हम इसके अंदर कोई चेंज नहीं कर पा रहे। इसका मतलब अगर ये मेमोरी लोकेशन अलग हो जाती है, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि जो भी हमने यहाँ पे एडिशन किया है ना, वो इस सेट के अंदर चेंज नहीं हुआ है। उसकी वजह से क्या हो गया, एक नया सेट क्रिएट हो गया, उसके अंदर ही चेंज। ठीक
ओके
है,
सर।
इसका भी एग्जाम्पल लेना है, मैं लेके दिखा देता हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम राइटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 10, आई एम चेकिंग द मेमोरी लोकेशन ऑफ दिस x, देन व्हाट आई विल डू, देन व्हाट आई विल, मैं क्या करूंगा, I will perform some changes in this X value. I will do some changes in this X value. What change I will do? I will add 2 in this. अगर मेमोरी लोकेशन सेम रहती है तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि जो हम ये चेंज कर रहे हैं, ये इसके ऊपर चेंज, सॉरी, अगर मेमोरी लोकेशन डिफरेंट रहती है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो हम चेंजेस कर रहे हैं, ये इस पे ना होके कोई नया ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट हुआ है उस पे हो। और अगर ये इसी पे हो जाता है, अगर ये इसी पे हो जाता है चेंज, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि सेम ऑब्जेक्ट में ही चेंज हो रहा है। दैट मीन्स ये 10 ही हमारा 12 में चेंज। ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये। सो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू रन दिस, मेमोरी लोकेशन विल बी डिफरेंट। क्यों डिफरेंट होगी? क्योंकि 10 इज योर म्यूटेबल, इम्यूटेबल ऑब्जेक्ट। इम्यूटेबल मीन्स वंस यू आर क्रिएटिंग एन इंटीजर डेटा टाइप, यू कैन नॉट परफॉर्म एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस in it. You cannot perform any kind of changes. If you are trying to perform changes, because of that change, a new object has been created, and this is a memory location of this. Clear हुआ ना? ठीक है, सेट सिर्फ इतना ही है। अब इसके बाद एक प्रॉब्लम मैं ले लेता हूं। पाइथन प्रोग्राम, पाइथन प्रोग्राम to remove all the duplicate elements from a list. That means one list has been given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So what is my objective? I want to remove all the duplicate elements from this. कैसे करें? मुझे duplicate element remove करना है। I only want to remove duplicate elements from the. Anybody think it? Probably. कैसे करेंगे everybody?
Sir, sir, we use curly braces instead of square bracket.
Yes. तो कैसे करेंगे, कैसे ब्रैकेट में चेंज करेंगे? चेंज करेंगे, दैट इज फाइन, बट हाउ टू? Anybody? See, for every data type, we are having its relevant function. Okay. So for set also we are having a function which is known as set. Okay. So within that we will pass this. You will get only the elements which are unique. But ये elements जो आ रहे हैं किस format में आ रहे हैं? ये आ रहा है set की form. I don't want result in the form of set. How we will convert it in the form of list? Just call list function. That's see. हाँ, see, now your duplicate has been removed and your result is also in the form of. So if you want to remove all the duplicate from a given list, just convert that list in the form of set. But once you are converting that in the form of set, your duplicate elements will be removed. But after that, again you need to typecast it in the form of list. क्यों कर रहे हैं typecast? क्योंकि our result will in the form of list. That is the reason. Ask your doubts in this. इसमें किसी को डाउट है? हाँ guys, is it clear or not? Clear or not, guys? At least response to break. सेम टास्क वी कैन परफॉर्म. हाँ, टपल के लिए भी आप सेम टास्क कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, सेम थिंग वी कैन डू विद टपल एज, सेम थिंग वी कैन डू विद सेट एज. नो एनी इश्यू इज देयर, वी कैन डू विद सेट. अच्छा, क्या चीज क्लियर नहीं है बताओ? ये वाला पार्ट नहीं क्लियर है सदा?
जी यस यस, ये म्यूटेबल मुझे समझ में नहीं आया.
देख, क्या है? म्यूटेबल का मतलब होता है कि जब मैंने कोई चीज बना दी तो मैं उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकता. जब भी मैंने कोई चीज बना दी है उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकता. तो उसका मतलब क्या है? जब मैंने लिखा सेट वन इज इक्वल टू दिस वन, ये एक हमने चीज बनाई, एक सेट बनाया हमने, जो कि बन गया हमारी मेमोरी लोकेशन की, हमारी रैम के अंदर ये बन गया. अब क्या है? म्यूटेबल का मतलब क्या होता है? जब हमने ये रैम के अंदर ये कुछ सेट इस टाइप का बनाया हमारा, ठीक है, म्यूटेबल का मतलब क्या होता है कि हम इसके अंदर चेंज कर सकते हैं. हम इसके
कर
अंदर
सकते हैं.
चेंज कर सकते हैं. जैसे मुझे 100 ऐड करना, तो इसी के
हम्म.
अंदर मैं 100 ऐड कर सकता हूं. इसी के अंदर
हम्म.
मैं 100 ऐड कर सकता हूं. तो इसका मतलब है कि ये म्यूटेबल है. म्यूटेबल का मतलब क्या है? मैंने एक सेट बनाया, उसके अंदर मैं एलिमेंट को ऐड करना चाहूं या डिलीट करना चाहूं, मैं कर सकता हूं.
हम्म.
ठीक है, दैट मीन्स इट इज म्यूटेबल. अब इम्यूटेबल क्या होता है? इम्यूटेबल मीन्स जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा, जो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल मैंने लिया इम्यूटेबल का, अब समझ. जब मैंने लिखा x इज इक्वल टू 10, तो क्या हुआ? मेमोरी हमारी है, मेमोरी के अंदर x इज इक्वल टू 10 हमारा स्टोर हो गया.
हम्म.
क्योंकि जो ये 10 है, ये है हमारा इम्यूटेबल. इम्यूटेबल मीन्स क्या है? ये फिक्स्ड है. अब इसके अंदर हम कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकते. इस 10 को हम 20 नहीं बना सकते, इसमें ना कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं ना कुछ डिलीट कर सकते हैं. ये जो 10 है ये फिक्स्ड.
हम्म.
अगर मैं चाहूं इसमें चेंज करना, यहां पे मैंने क्या किया, मैं चाह रहा हूं कि x की वैल्यू 10 थी, 10 में 2 और ऐड कर, मैं ये चाह रहा हूं.
हम्म.
तो इस केस में होगा क्या? इस केस में क्या होगा? एक नया ऑब्जेक्ट मेमोरी के अंदर बन जाए और उसके अंदर हमारी वैल्यू जो है वो ऐड हो जाएगी, ऐसे 10 प्लस. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट था, ये हमारा दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट. इसकी सपोज दैट मेमोरी लोकेशन 100 थी, इसकी मेमोरी लोकेशन समथिंग लाइक 200.
अच्छा, ओके.
तो अगर मेमोरी लोकेशन सेम आती है, जो मैं मॉडिफाई कर रहा हूं उसके बाद भी अगर मेमोरी लोकेशन सेम आती है, उसका मतलब ये है कि वो म्यूटेबल है, क्योंकि मैं उसके अंदर चेंज कर पा रहा हूं. और इम्यूटेबल का मतलब क्या है कि एक नया ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया है, उसके अंदर हम चेंज कर पा रहे हैं. तो अगर मेमोरी लोकेशन अलग अलग है, दैट मीन्स ये इम्यूटेबल है, क्योंकि हमने इस 10 के अंदर कोई चेंज नहीं कर पाए. हमने
हम्म.
चेंज किया तो वो एक नया ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर चेंज हुआ है. तो अगर मेमोरी लोकेशन अलग अलग है, दैट मीन्स ये इम्यूटेबल. अगर मेमोरी लोकेशन सेम है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि हमारे ओरिजिनल सेट के अंदर ही वैल्यू ऐड हो. तो यही चीज है उसका.
ओके, थैंक यू.
एनी अदर डाउट?
सर वन डाउट इन डिफरेंस.
हाँ बताओ.
सर जैसे यहाँ पर आपने लिखा फर्स्ट सेट, तो फर्स्ट सेट यहाँ पर इस रेस्पेक्ट में हुआ कि जैसे कि एस
जो
एस
यहाँ पे
वन
पास
डिफरेंस.
करोगे वो फर्स्ट सेट.
हाँ हाँ, ओके
जो
ओके.
यहाँ पे
मुझे
पास
लगा
करोगे,
था
अगर मैं
फर्स्ट
S2 पास
फर्स्ट.
कर दूंगा ना, अगर मैं S2
हाँ
पास
हाँ.
कर दूंगा तो S2 एज अ फर्स्ट सेट कंसीडर.
ओके
ठीक है,
ओके, वही
तो
डाउट था
इस
कि
टाइम पे
मेरे।
रिजल्ट जो आएगा वो 7-8 है। ठीक
ओके सर।
ठीक है, 8-7 क्योंकि अनऑर्डर्ड। नेक्स्ट
ओके
डाउट।
ओके, फर्स्ट आई आई थिंक फर्स्ट से मैं ये सोच रहा था कि फर्स्ट सेट वो होता है जो
नहीं,
पहले लिखा जाता है बट।
जो पहले हम लोग फंक्शन के दौरान जब फंक्शन कॉल कर रहे होते हैं ना, उसके पहले जो हम लिखते हैं ना वो हमारा फर्स्ट सेट है। तो ये S2 हमारा फर्स्ट।
यस सर, क्लियर सर।
नेक्स्ट डाउट। नो डाउट। ठीक है, तो सेट आपका इतना ही है। आप नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग डिक्शनरी पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, डिक्शनरी इंपॉर्टेंट है आप लोगों का। ठीक है, सेट सिर्फ इतना ही है कि सेट क्या होता है, ऑपरेटर्स कौन से यूज होते हैं, कैसे ऐड करते हैं, कैसे डिलीट करते हैं। ठीक है, ये सब चीजें थी। प्रैक्टिस मैंने लास्ट सेशन में आप लोगों को लिंक दिया था, किसने किसने प्रैक्टिस की थी उस पर, याद है किसी को? मैंने स्ट्रिंग की प्रॉब्लम्स की लिंक दी थी आपको।
यस सर, किया था थोड़ा बहुत।
हाँ, तो प्रॉब्लम आई क्या?
ये अभी तो मतलब ज्यादा नहीं कर पाया, कॉलेज रहता है तो ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस अभी नहीं कर पाया।
ठीक है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। सब लोग इसकी जरा प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं, स्ट्रिंग के प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। So whatever problems are given, you just try to practice all those problems. So here you will see coding problems are also there. You can refer these problems. कर सकते हो इन
सर
problems को।
ये
आसान है।
कहाँ है, मुझे भी चाहिए प्रैक्टिस के लिए।
This is the device, the next। ठीक है, मैंने इंडेक्सिंग स्लाइसिंग जो पढ़ाया है उसी के बेसिस पे ये है साहब। ठीक है, तो इसको रेफर कर लो आप लोगों की स्ट्रिंग स्लाइसिंग और इंडेक्सिंग हो जाएगा आपका। ठीक है, that is it. So this is all about set. After that, our next topic that we are going to discuss is dictionary. So that we will discuss in next session. तो सेट की अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करना चाहे तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो। एक और प्रॉब्लम मैं देता हूँ। काउंट यूनिक वर्ड्स, काउंट यूनिक वर्ड्स फ्रॉम अ गिवन टेक्स्ट। दैट मीन्स कोई टेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है, उसके अंदर हमको यूनिक वर्ड्स निकाल। तो ये सब लोग आप प्रैक्टिस करना। मैं एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ। फॉर एग्जांपल, माय टेक्स्ट इज हाय, हाउ आर यू, आई थिंक, आई थिंक यू आर वेरी दिस। ठीक है, तो इसमें यूनिक वर्ड्स कौन कौन से, व्हाट आर योर यूनिक वर्ड्स? हाई इज योर यूनिक, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 यूनिक वर्ड्स आर। So your result will be, so this problem you can solve with the help of set. So इसकी प्रैक्टिस कौन कौन करेगा इसको एज एन होमवर्क? दिस इज योर होमवर्क। What are your 9 unique words? See, R is present here also, R is present here also. So R will be considered only once. ARP will be considered only once. Because duplicate element we need to remove, and after that we need to calculate what are the unique words which are present in your. So कौन कौन इसको करेगा? This is your homework, guys. ठीक है, ट्राई करना है इसको, नहीं होता है मैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में बता दूँ। ठीक है, ये आपका होमवर्क है, सब लोग ट्राई। ठीक है, ठीक है, इतना ही सेशन में आज के। Next dictionary we will discuss in next session. Okay then. Bye bye. Yeah. Thanks everyone.